Alright guys, we back. We're doing a nighttime POV drive. It's kind of hard to see right now, but a lot of you guys have been requesting some night POVs, so here we are. Yeah. I'm actually heading to the gym right now. Decided to do a quick little video. So here we are. Honestly, don't know how well you guys can see right now. Probably not very well, but it is what it is. Damn, oh my goodness, bro. So I'm not gonna do like too many cuts in this video. I'm probably just gonna leave it as is, mostly raw, unedited. I'll probably like cut out parts where I'm like at a traffic light or something, but other than that, just minimal cuts, minimal edits. When you guys see this video, I'll probably have it up by Thursday. Would that be the 15th, I believe? I don't even know what the dates are anymore. But just be on the lookout. Man, stay on your side of the road. Like, what's up with that? But I have a brand. I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but I talked about it there for a little bit. I have a little like automotive street lifestyle brand called Jusco. I'll put a screenshot up here of the Instagram. But I just launched the website today, and you know, shout out to everyone that's already put in orders for decals. That's all I have right now so far on the website are decals. Down the road I will be adding, you know, different accessories, air fresheners, clothing items, stuff like that. So right now I just have decals. Everything's made by me, made to order. Everything's packed, shipped by me. So if you guys are down to support me, support the brand, please go to juiceco.com. I'll put it right here. That's jusk0.com. Order a couple stickers and you know, rep the brand. But if you guys don't want to do that, it's perfectly fine. Just leave a like, sub in the video. You know, just your simple like or sub really helps out. So you know, help me grow my channel, grow my brand, and help me improve on my videos and the quality of my products. And that's all I'm trying to bring out to you guys, just give you guys quality, high quality stuff. That's the goal. So yeah, like I said, juiceco.com. Go cop something if you want to. So see what you guys are seeing right now. It's not too bad, just super dark. Like, I guess one thing, I mean, I don't really expect it from this car. I really wasn't expecting it, but like, I guess not really like too much ambient lighting. But you know, it's a BRZ, man. It's not an M3. It's not a Benz. It's not a luxury car. You know what I mean? So. I just wish I could like see inside the cockpit of the car. Kind of had a little scare right there. I saw like a cop like pull out, kind of do a U in the parking lot. Sketchy. But yeah, back here, just doing a little calm POV, little nighttime drive to the gym. So yeah, man. Tiny headed going on, bro. Stop by the gas station, grab some pre. Some pre-worky. driving super fast. What's going on, bro? Oh my goodness. Stop by the Shell. Stop at the Shell. I meant to say. Grab me some pre-worky. I need some pre-workout. Ooh, we got a little M4 joint right here. Just tough. Alright guys, this is what we got for a choice of pre-workout today. We got some bucked up white gummy deer. Put y'all on, this shit's so fire, so good. They also got their just regular sour gummy worm and their berry pop and what's the other one? Damn. Anyways, they're all pretty good. Oh, GoPro's about to die. Let's see if we can make it to the gym. It's down the road. Yo, the GoPro dies, bro. Before I get to the gym, it would be so sad. Still recording. It's still on. Ah! There's the gym. Hello? Like... Dude, that dude is moving with that jet ski behind him. Like... Bro's trailering a jet ski Dude's flying over these bumps. Like, yo, chill out. We made it to the gym, guys. It's to the right. Without this shit dying. Ooh, angle a little bit. Boink. Ah, yeah. Alright guys, made it to the gym. I know this was a short little video, short little POV drive, but it's something, and I know you guys are requesting a little night drive, so if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and sub. Every little like, comment, sub goes a long way, pushing my videos out, so please, if you can, leave a like. Like I said, the website for Juice Coil is now live. Please cop a sticker if you guys want to. It would be dope if you do. If you guys do buy a sticker, put it on your car, put it on something, take a picture, and tag us in the story or on the post. But yeah, again, appreciate everyone for the love, for the ongoing support. You guys are the best. It's only up from here. We're gonna continue to grow the channel, grow the brand, and more big things to come. So that's pretty much it. Catch y'all later. I'm gonna go drink some pre and completely obliterate myself at the gym. So catch y'all later. Peace.